Dropshipping continues to be one of the most lucrative ways to build a passive income online in 2025 with the right strategies. Choose a high-demand niche with products that have moderate competition and good profit margins. Use tools like Google Trends and TikTok to identify trending products that appeal to a specific audience. Partner with reliable suppliers to ensure fast shipping and high-quality products for your store. Use platforms like AliExpress or Spocket. Order samples to verify product quality before listing. Build a professional online store on platforms like Shopify, with a clean design and trust signals. Choose mobile responsive themes and include customer reviews to boost trust and conversions. Master your marketing strategy using social media ads, Google Shopping, and TikTok for effective promotion. Effective use of retargeting ads can help convert visitors who didn't purchase on their first visit. Automate your operations with order fulfillment tools like Oberlo to save time and focus on growth. Use email campaigns and chatbots for customer support to enhance efficiency. Focusing on customer experience, offer fast shipping and simple return policies to build loyalty. Engage with your audience through social media to maintain connections and respond to inquiries promptly. Once consistent sales are met, scale your business by increasing ad spend and expanding your product line. Optimizing pricing and testing different strategies can maximize profits as you grow. Track analytics to refine strategies, monitor KPIs, and adjust efforts based on insights. Making $10,000 per month in dropshipping requires smart product selection and effective customer satisfaction efforts. With consistent effort and adaptability, you can turn dropshipping into a profitable venture.